Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Spotify with Google Home. So use voice commands to control what plays with Google Home and Google Nest. So link your Spotify to Google. Make sure your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your Google device. What you want to do is download and open the Google Home app. So you just need to go to Play Store and just type Google Home. And here, I already downloaded it. If you haven't, just download it. So I'm gonna open it. Then tap account in the top right. And check the Google account shown is the one linked to your Google Home or Google Nest device. To switch account, just tap another account or add another account. Then go back to home screen and tap the plus sign at the top left. Then music and audio. Then select Spotify and tap link account. Then just agree and continue. And just agree. So that's it. Now just ask Google to play something. You can also control the Spotify app on Android Google with Google Assistant. You can find voice commands on the Google support site. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!